Good day, traders. This is Rich with some price action on the markets. Currently June 24, 2020, 4:20 in the afternoon. And I'm looking at the SPY here. Pretty much a little small gap down. Ended up bleeding pretty good till lunchtime. Then it bounced a bit and just chopped around. Found some sit-ups in the afternoon, but it was much more difficult. Took a couple at lunch, actually. So let's just go over those real quick and get into what I saw. WKHS was my first trade of the day on a 2-minute chart. This one worked out really well. This is my second trade of the day, actually. It was the break of the 8 level here. I got a high of 795. I took the break at the 8 level here, and it ran up to about 840. And I took some shares off there. Came down below my entry on these candles here, which stopped me out, unfortunately, for my next move up to 9. And then, if you can see, if we go to 5-minute, I would have been until 10. So, unfortunately, I kept my stop to break even on my entry, and it stopped me out. One of the more frustrating trades today was a winner, was on NKLA, which is one of the hottest stocks right now. I noticed a gap down today, and then when it broke the high or the opening price of this candle here, on this candle, I got in at, I think, 74.29. It just ran up. I got in, didn't even look back. The only problem is I had this stupid, I think it was on one of my, where is it? It was here. It's this attach OSO, which is like it sets a break even, or I'm sorry, it sends a stop limit and a limit order. And I had it set at 50 cents, I believe. So I go like this. It was already set from the previous day, and look, it's set for 50 cents. So that was attached to my order. So right when I entered, within about 5 seconds, I sold, and I was like, what happened? And I made $50, but that thing ran for $2. I don't even think I would have been able to exit so fast unless I was closing it automatically. And it's frustrating. I'm only had 100 shares on it too, which was kind of interesting. It would have been a nice little winner to start the day. That's how I opened the day up. So user error on that one. I'm the first one to admit user error. Things happen, and I'm not really going to worry about it. I was in a mentoring session today. We did a call on the break of the 20 level of APT. Got up to 2050. I took some shares off at like 58, I believe, on that. So that was a pretty good exit. Then it did roll over, and I didn't really make much on it. And I did trade that WKHS through 9 here. Got some quick out, and this candle here stopped me out again. Unfortunately, where's the candle? I don't know where the candle. Oh, this one, yeah. So it broke through 9. I got out with some win, and then here it stopped me out at a low of 891. I need to let it go to that EMA. I'm still not using the stupid EMA as my stop level, because I'm not really watching the chart, and I'm watching the level 2 more, and I need to kind of bring this more into the picture so I can see that as the price moves. But no big deal. I ended up green today, 181. I think if I take in 2 or 3 more of the trades I did like, I would have been up much bigger. And if the NKLA in the morning didn't be a user error, I would be up even much bigger than that. So no big deal. I have to keep moving along, and finished on the positive note, which is good. Learned a lot today, and let me know if you have any questions or feedback, and I'd like to help you out. So this is Rich with some price action. It's June 24, 2020, and I'll be back tomorrow, hopefully.